Today I want to showcase our Smart Flex Effector, a robotic sensor that adds tactile sensing ability to your robotic process. So we've got a smart sensor that flexes in 6 degrees of freedom, X, Y, Z, and then the rotations about X, Y, and Z. And it provides the positional deviation back to your robot. So now we've got a real-time sensor that allows you to make corrective movements wherever that gripping device or end-of-arm effector needs to move to. I can sense how far off that position is, tell the robot so that it can make a real-time adjustment in process. I can also do things like measuring. So as a low-level type CMM, I can provide direct measurements for that product that you're picking up. And I'm doing this all in real time. Would love to show you the software and some of the capabilities on the screen as well. So here I'm flexing this sensor, and like I said, it's got 6 independent degrees of freedom. So in X, Y, Z, I can tell the robot, if you've got a gripping mechanism on the end of this here, how far off that position is. It's 2 millimeters in this direction. It's half a degree up, and the Z-axis is compressed this amount. So now I'm able to feed this information directly back to the robot to make that real-time compensation move and get that process as accurate as possible.